Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuum cleaners. On the left, we have the Lefant M210 Pro, or as I like to call it, Mr. Vacuum McSpeedy. And on the right, we have the ROPVACNIC Robot S1, aka Captain Clean A lot. Let's see which of these robotic minions will win our affection and save us from the horrors of manual cleaning. Let's talk money, honey. The Lefant M210 Pro comes in at a wallet-friendly $209. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC S1 will set you back a cool $299. That's a $90 difference, folks. With Lefant, you can buy yourself a nice dinner. Or, some extra therapy sessions to deal with your cleaning anxiety. Both of these bad boys come with multiple cleaning modes. Lefant M210 Pro has 4 modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuum cleaners. On the other hand, Captain Clean A Lot over here offers multiple cleaning modes with personalized settings. It's like having a butler who listens to your every cleaning whim. So if you want to feel like royalty while your floors get cleaned, ROPVACNIC might be the one for you. But hey, Lefant's 4 modes are nothing to sneeze at. Unless you're allergic to dust, then definitely sneeze at it. Now, let's talk about suction power. Lefant M210 Pro boasts powerful suction and a unique suction mouth that makes it great for pet owners. It's like the vacuum cleaner version of a Dyson, just cheaper and less pretentious. But wait, ROPVACNIC S1 comes in with a whopping 4,000 pascals suction power. That's enough to suck up your worries, your crumbs, and maybe even your kids' homework. If you need a vacuum that could double as a black hole, ROPVACNIC is your guy. Both vacuums come with smart app and voice controls. Lefant M210 Pro connects faster than your ex's rebound relationship. It also supports Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can boss it around with your voice. ROPVACNIC S1 also has smart controls, but it takes things up a notch with a comprehensive, intelligent control system. It's like having a cleaning assistant who knows what you want before you even say it. So if you want a vacuum that's almost psychic, ROPVACNIC is calling your name. Lefant M210 Pro is compact and nimble, designed for narrow spaces. It's like the ninja of vacuums, sneaking under beds and sofas to catch all the dust bunnies. ROPVACNIC S1, however, comes with advanced high-coverage sensing and self-recharge. It's the vacuum that never gets lost and always finds its way back to the charging dock. It's like a Roomba with a GPS and a brain. If you want a vacuum that's both smart and independent, ROPVACNIC has got your back. Reviewers love the Lefant M210 Pro for its affordability, ease of use, and efficient pet hair cleaning. However, some users were disappointed with the lack of reusable maps and found it a bit loud. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner is praised for its powerful suction, advanced features, and mopping capabilities, making it a versatile and highly recommended choice for various surfaces. So who's the winner? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want an affordable, compact, and efficient vacuum, Lefant M210 Pro is your best bet. But if you're willing to splurge for more power, smarter features, and the ultimate hands-free experience, ROPVACNIC S1 is your go-to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.